YouTube, it's your boy Dom.
And I'm Anna.
Y'all already know we the day one. Gang. What's that word, man?
Yeah,
I know we back with another one. When that don't be no nut on.
that's right.
Shout out everybody that tuned into the video. Um, Sorry for the slight delay. Um, y'all, we've been going through some things, man.
Yes, you guys. So what happened was is that we did end up getting a strike on our one of our videos where we were showing the M pattern, and I don't know, like they just said that we violated community guidelines. Um, by, I guess, just teaching. That's just what we love to do, and that's all we were doing. But
Okay.
we're back. We were on a 7-day strike, and that video did get taken down. So I know a lot of people were looking for it. It was like getting like a lot of like support on it. I know you guys love the M pattern. So that's what this video is again today. We're going to be showing you guys the M pattern and just showing how we take advantage of this pattern every single day. This is how we've been making money. Um, our whole community been eating off this pattern. Just a beautiful pattern overall. And we're going to be showing you guys that again today. Also, we do have something special for you guys.
Y'all ain't live trade with us, come live trade with us. Y'all know if y'all do need a broker, Hanker Trade is who we trade with. That link is in the description as well.
So if you guys missed the boot camp, um, we have added a course. It's an amazing course, you guys. We really, really took our time and really broke down everything. It's a beautiful course. So if you do want that, that is a way to get lifetime access. So it comes with the course plus lifetime access to our live trading on Discord, which you'll have a lifetime access to our Discord. So whatever we have going on, whatever you guys want to be the first to get because you guys are in our Discord. Um, and so, yeah, that's up now. The is in the description.
Like literally, like I said, y'all, I can't explain y'all enough how crazy November about to be. We dropping unlimited gems. Like I said, y'all, we just dropped the amazing course where y'all get lifetime access. And y'all, I don't know if we see this. We also got it for 30% off right now. 30% off. So off the low number it is for you to be able to get lifetime access to us and trade with us for live trade with us forever.
Yeah.
And you get a course, basically us showing you our forever print strategy.
Another
What the
thing.
hell? You can't go wrong with that.
Another thing.
What the hell?
Our course.
What the hell? What the hell?
So another thing, you guys. If you guys if you guys want the course, right? We do have a promo code. Okay. So for the course, it's already really cheap, right? And then if you put the promo code in, you also get 30% off. So again, that's a course. That's our whole forever print strategy plus lifetime access to our Discord, you guys.
Yes.
So all the people that felt like $75 was a lot a month. Well, guess what? You get the whole course, our whole course with our forever printing strategy, plus lifetime access to our Discord, you guys. Lifetime.
Do not
Lifetime.
let that go over your head. Take advantage, man. Trust and believe. Money well spent. You got to think y'all spending a one-time payment to make money with us every single day.
Forever.
You gonna make that investment right back. And another thing too is y'all don't gotta trade with it. Y'all don't have to do anything at all. We're just offering that. We love helping people make money. We gonna make money every day because guess what? God bless us to be able to learn a skill to where that's our job. This is what we do. We are
That's right.
investors. We know how to invest our money and triple our money, double our money. And that's why we about to do this run our account challenge. We're gonna take it from 500 to 10K and y'all gonna see every step. I don't want to hear y'all being like, oh, they trade. I don't see us. We can't make this up. 500 to 10K. Show me your favorite trader doing that. But
this challenge is about to be crazy, guys.
Yeah, and I know it's gonna be challenging, but on the flip side, we did leave y'all with a fire video last week. Like I said, unfortunately, it got took down. But we gonna get y'all the sauce again, man, because they ain't stopping nothing.
That's
Y'all
right.
hear that? They not stopping nothing, man. We ain't letting up.
Mind you, that double top slash M pattern is so good. You guys were eating it up last time. You guys loved it.
Yeah, they was
And
hating
so we have to give you guys the M pattern again. And so that's what this video is. This pattern, you guys, I'm telling you, if you can identify this pattern, it's a game changer.
Telling you.
Hey y'all. Okay, so y'all, this is the pattern that we have been going crazy on actually. This is a very simple pattern. You guys know
Super
that our
simple.
like I always tell you guys, our strategy is based off patterns, you guys. Patterns, patterns, patterns. One thing that the market is always going to do is give some patterns. And that's why I always tell you guys that our strategy is the best in the world. I
Factory.
do believe that it is the easiest strategy that you would get. It's very simplified. All you need is a simple checklist. You check everything off and you take your trade. It's literally that simple, you
Man,
guys.
I ain't gonna lie. We about to. No, matter of fact, we charging y'all for this. We charge y'all. We charge y'all our bankroll. We ain't about to show y'all this for free because it's out of control, y'all. We literally be giving y'all literally some of the easiest like point of views in these charts to where it's like it's a fifth grader can do it if they wanted to, man. Like literally, your son can start printing money right now with
Uh-huh.
these setups that we showing y'all.
100%, you guys. Okay, so let me show you guys this. Okay. Um. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get these markets a little bit. Or I'm sorry, the charts. I'm trying to clear these charts up for you guys so it could be clearer for you guys to see. Okay. So right here, let me go to the 30-minute really quick. Okay. So we have been getting these M patterns like crazy, okay? And that's why we are here showing you guys about these M patterns. These M patterns are so simple, and
Super.
I'm going to break it down for you guys real quick, okay? We're going to make this video nice and short. It's very simple, and as long as you guys could apply these things, you guys can be profitable off this pattern alone, okay?
Facts.
So let me show you, right? So when you in the market, you're going to get an M formation, okay? A Sorry, y'all. I am like everywhere right now.
It's all good,
Um,
bro. That's no
okay,
problem.
so in the market, you're going to see price form an M, okay?
Hmm. Pay
Say like
attention,
this,
y'all. Make sure
okay?
y'all got y'all pens and pads. And hold it right quick, but before you get started, if you watching this video right now and you not subscribed to this video, man, make sure you smash that subscribe button, man. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you show some love because y'all keep telling y'all, we give y'all them gems now.
Yes, if you are not subscribed, I don't know what you are
My
doing.
boo passionate, y'all. Y'all see she about to get drop a gem, so y'all make sure y'all show some love.
Okay, so back to the pattern, you guys. Okay, so what you're gonna see right here, right, is you have a structure point where it comes and then I'm sorry. Okay, so you're gonna have an M pattern. That's what this is called. Well, it's actually called a double top or a double bottom, but to make it simplified, it's like the letter M or the letter W. Okay, and so you have a point where you come and then you make that next structure where it comes either equal or a little bit below. Okay, even if it's like that or if it's like this, but what you don't want is it to go like this. Okay, because if this structure comes that high, that means you broke structure to the upside and you will not be looking for sells anymore.
Yes, I
At
see.
that point, you will start to look for buys. Okay, so we're gonna want it to form an M. Okay, it comes, makes a point, fails to break this structure, and then it comes down. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to see when price starts to break structure to the downside. Okay, so the middle of the M, you're going to want to see price start to break this structure. Okay, and then that's where you're going to want to take your entry. It's that simple, y'all. That simple. It's
Okay.
literally that simple. So
Definitely.
that's where you would want to take your um that's where you would want to take your entry. You get in right there. You do a little stop loss, whatever makes you feel comfortable,
Yeah.
and then you take it. You take that 1 to 2. So say if you do a 1 to 2, bam, 1 to 2, done, you guys. If you want to do a 1 to 1, a lot of people do 1 to 1s. It's really up to you what to do. 1 to 1s are just a little bit too small for me, so I like to do either 1 to 2s or 1 to 3s because that's just what we do, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
But it's that simple, you guys. I'm going to show you guys how the W looks now, okay? So it's the same thing as I just showed you with the M, but you're actually forming a W, okay? You're coming here,
Mm-hmm.
so you are doing equal lows or you're failing to, I'm sorry. So you're either doing equal lows or a little bit above, okay? Like that. And then once you start to break structure, this is where you would enter, and then you take your trade to your next your wherever your next level is. Okay, and that's where I like to decide if I'm going to do a 1 to 1, a 1 to 2, or a 1 to 3, wherever my next level is. So if my next level is a 1 to 3, then that's where I'm going to do my take profit at. I'm
Yes,
going to set my
certainly.
take profit to my next level, which will be a 1 to 3. Or if my next major level is a 1 to 1, then I'll set my profit level to there, and then that's where I'll take my trade to. So remember, you guys, you either want it to do equals, right,
Mm-hmm.
or a little bit above. The equals are always the best if you ask me, but you never want to do it like this. Okay, you never want structure to break to the downside,
Make
because
that
at this
low.
point you're no longer looking for buys anymore.
Mm-hmm.
At this point you're starting to look for sales.
Yes, certainly.
Okay,
I
so
understand
remember,
that.
the W is for when you're buying, and then the M is for when you're selling. All right, and it's that simple. And I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples in the market now.
Yeah.
We have been going crazy with this pattern. This pattern is an amazing pattern. It's like so easy. It's so textbook, and the market has been giving a lot of these. So if you
And
could take advantage of these,
that's facts.
make sure you do that.
Yeah. And when y'all start seeing them too, y'all, make sure y'all come let us know. Like, dang, y'all, they won game. They put us down on it. They let us know about this, and now I see it. I can't stop seeing it.
That's
Now I'm
right.
printing money. I'm making money off of it. I didn't even see it at first, but now my eyes can't stop seeing it.
Yes. So look, this is what the trick is. Okay, if you know how to put your support and resistance levels, then this should be so
Cakewalk.
easy. Okay, it should be a cakewalk, because when you say that you have your level, right, and you see price broke past and you see price come back to that level and do a W pattern,
Mm-hmm.
that's even more of an A plus setup, right? Because you got your W or your M at a support or resistance. Okay. But if you don't know your support or resistance, it's still easy to be able to identify these patterns, because it's like I said before, it's really textbook, you guys.
Yeah.
If you guys are trending up, then you want to get your W, of course, and take that buy. Or if you're trending down, then you want to get that M, which is a double top pattern, and then take the sell.
Mm-hmm.
So I do want you guys to know that the M is considered a double top and the W is considered a double bottom,
Mm-hmm.
just so people won't try to correct you and be like, "Oh, this pattern is called this or this pattern is called this."
Yeah, y'all know
You
how people
know,
be.
at the end of the day, we don't go by names, we go by skill. And
Mm-hmm.
if you can identify these patterns right here, guess what? You can call it whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
If you wanted to call this a double mountain, guess what? You can call it that, because you know why? You know how to take advantage of it and you know how to
Mm-hmm.
make money off of it. So it doesn't matter what it's called.
Call it the
Okay?
Double Deuce Mountain.
So right here we have where we came, we had Um, nice pressure right here. Came right here. Came right here. Did a beautiful double bottom, right? And then when we were coming to break structure, you
Come
guys
on,
see it
man.
right here. Well, I'm sorry. I don't want to confuse you. Let me do that one more time. So we came, right? Came right here, came right here, came right here. And then as we were breaking structure right here, this is where we entered. And then there you have it, you guys.
Easy
The rest
peasy.
is history. The rest is history. Okay. We hit all TPs, took that buy, took a beautiful win off this. Our community actually took this trade
Come on,
also.
man.
This was a beautiful trade off the W pattern. It's just, this is just so beautiful, you guys. And it's so textbook.
Took
All
a
you have to see is that you got your two structure points coming where you made sure if you are forming a W pattern or a double bottom, whatever you want to call it, you made sure that this didn't pass this, right? You didn't break structure to the downside where you have this. No, you have equal, right? And then you came once you started to break structure to the upside, which you were breaking structure of the middle of the W point, break that structure, you take your entry, and then you take buy. Okay, so for the people that do know how to trade, okay, I know a lot of you are probably like, oh no, you want to get your retest and then go. Okay, that's fine. But a lot of times these patterns are not going to give you a retest. So you're going to be waiting all day. Okay. And that's where you need to know, okay, am I going to take entry now or am I going to be waiting forever to get my retest? All right. And once you're in the markets for so long, you'll know what you need to wait for your retest on and what you don't. I do believe that this pattern, you do not have to wait for a retest because, like I said before, a lot of the times it doesn't happen. Um, and I had to learn that. I had to learn that because I was one of those people that was always like, my retest, my retest. And don't get me wrong, waiting for your retest is always conservative,
Mm-hmm.
but you have to know
Win. Mm-hmm.
what patterns or when you have to wait for your retest.
Yeah.
Okay, knowing that is a game changer. But I did after back testing and after catching these trades so many times, I have seen that the retest sometimes a lot of majority of times it doesn't give that retest. Okay,
Okay.
so that's a little gem for you guys. But like I said before, you have to know when to wait for your retest. Okay, what setups are those setups where you have to wait for your retest? And that's for you to go study. But this pattern is beautiful. I'm going to show you another one that we took also with our community. Let me show you.
Make sure y'all locked in, man. Make sure
So
y'all watching these, taking notes, man. This is very important.
so this is another one. You guys see we came, did a structure, came, did an equal structure point. As we were breaking structure right here, we jumped in and got our beautiful trade. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see how beautiful this pattern is? It's beautiful and it happens all the time in the market. It does happen on different time frames, so you have to be watching all of your time frames, well, all of your lower time frames to see when you can get that pattern. Because the higher time frames, yes, you can get it, but when you're on the higher time frame, um, a lot of times you're going to be waiting forever to get that. Anything over the 1 hour, you're going to be waiting forever to get the break of structure and take the trade, and those are bigger trades. But from the 1 hour and down, you can always look for the patterns from the 3 minute, 5 minute, um, 15 minute, and even the 1 minute. All the lower time frames, you can be looking at them to see when you get this pattern. This is a beautiful pattern. Um, and yeah, it's really that textbook, you guys. I wish I had more to tell you guys, but it's really that textbook.
Super.
If you want to be more conservative, you can wait for an entry signal, however you want to do it. But these patterns are beautiful patterns. You guys see that we've been getting it so much. Let me see if I can find it again.
Y'all gonna
Um,
see.
Actually, let me see. So we actually have it right here, actually. So, um, so we actually have it right here, I believe. So we came, right? We came as we were breaking structure. You can get in this trade and you could take that buy. Do you see that? Do you see how you would want it to be equal or a little bit above? So when you get it a little bit above, that means you fail to break this low, and that means that you started to make a higher low. I'm sorry, I got a little confused. So instead of um, passing, or I'm sorry, instead of breaking structure to the bottom side, you failed to break this low, and then you got nice bullish momentum. And then as you were breaking structure, you could get in about right here, and then you would be able to take that buy. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about structure in the markets. You guys see that, I mean, it looks like a W, but it's just at this point is not equal. It's a little bit above. And when you are looking for buys, this is what you want to see. You want to see the market not be able or fail to break this low, right? Because then you go to make your higher low, and then once you start to break structure to the upside, you get in. I mean, you can always wait for a retest, don't get me wrong, but like I said before, sometimes it doesn't happen. If you do want to be conservative on certain trades where you just are not sure about it and you want to wait for your retest, go ahead. I mean, at the end of the day, it doesn't hurt. If you want to be conservative, be conservative. There's nothing wrong with being conservative, but for the most part, this is a beautiful pattern, and it's really as textbook as it gets, you guys. Let me see
Mm-hmm.
if I can find any more. If I don't find any more, it's okay. I just won't. I'll just cut it at this part.
And the goal to y'all is to. I want people to know the goal is to get the money out the market, man. Winning is always the goal, man. So we always trying to teach y'all how to win, how to get in these markets and make money. Everybody else, I know people, oh, this and this and this and that, all this high tech stuff. Simplify, super simple strategy for y'all to be able to make money. That is our goal.
So right here, we actually have it on the 15-minute, you guys, where we came right here, came right here. As we were breaking structure, you take your entry, and you get in, and the rest is history, you guys. Literally, the rest is history. Like, it's really as simple as it gets. Like I said, you guys, if you don't get the equal, if you get it a little bit above, that's fine, because what did you do? You failed to break this low, so that means you made a higher low. You came, broke structure to the upside, and you get in that trade and you take a buy. It's that simple. If you feel more comfortable with getting equal lows where it comes like this and makes a perfect W, that's fine too. You get your as you break structure, you get your where you take your risk to reward, you get in that trade, do a nice little stop loss, and you're in and you take that buy. Okay? So remember what I said, you guys. You either want to get equal lows, or you fail to make that low where it gives you a higher low. You go to break structure and then you get into the buy. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you guys are gonna see that you guys are gonna get this all through the market all the time, you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Um, this is just what the market does, you guys. You guys know that I always preach to you guys that um, price is always going to give you guys patterns, and it's up to you to take advantage of them. And yeah, this pattern is textbook as it get, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys continue to support us. If you do need a broker, we are with the best broker in the world,
Y'all better
Hanker
know it.
Trade. If you do need to, if you are looking for a broker, make sure you go sign up with Hanker Trade. The link will be in the
Yes,
description.
sir.
Also, we do live trading every single morning with our growing community. If you are interested in that and you want to join our community where we show you guys these setups on the daily, um, take beautiful wins, and more, the link for that will be in the description as well.
Factory. That's it.
That's it.
All right, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all show some love. And yeah, we out.
Yes.
All right, y'all. Peace.
Peace.
Peace.